Hi guys, so I had the check engine light come on my Goldwing, so I bought myself an ODBII plug that goes into the car one, but the reader is obviously different for motorcycles, so I went out and bought one so I can figure out how to check this out. So here's the new cable that I bought. This is what fits on the Goldwing. It's a 4-hole, okay, and this one is the one that plugs into the ODBII reader. And this is where your port is. All right, so I struggled to get this off. So now I'm going to show you guys how to take it off so you can actually do your reading. Okay, hold this for me. Okay, so you lift up on this little knob and you pull it out. And then once you're over here, there's another little knob, which is right over here. And this is what stumped me the most, was getting this out. And so you push down with your nail, and here you go. Now, very easily, just plug it right in, and plug it into your ODBII, and that's it.